Hello everybody, my name is Jake, and sorry about the no audio in the last video. I don't know what happened, but my headphones were all messed up for a while. Today we're going to be doing an actual trolling video. I found a glitch in Adopt and Raise a Baby, and the only reason I know this game is because Albert plays it, or Flamingo now, sad. I like Albert's channel, it's funny. Okay, so basically, what I do is I go get a car. This is one of the worst games on Roblox to me. I go get a car. Over here. If I can get over here. Okay, I spawn a car. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drive it over to somewhere where there's lots of people. And I'm just gonna wait for someone to steal the car. Just walk by and steal it. Or if someone's in a car, I'll just do that. So I'm just gonna park my car right here. I'm gonna go look for a house. Look at the houses here. There's a dog. Let's see if I can go over here. Okay. Who's gonna get in my car? Okay, found our first person. Yeah! Oh my gosh! It already glitched! Yes! 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 Oh, dang it. Okay, that didn't work. So round one didn't work. Okay, so I am going down here, and I'm gonna do this again. Okay, I hope no one saw me. I am waiting for someone to go in the car, and I'm gonna run over. When someone does, I feel like that girl is going to go to the bait. And we are going to see if she goes for it. No, she's just standing there. There's a documentary on this girl. She's doing nothing. But that kid Alex is doing something. He is going to get his driver's license at the age of 3. Never mind. Oh, wait, no, he's doing something. He's jumping around. He's walking out. He doesn't know what he's doing, really. Oh, and that girl just turned into a deer. Or moose, I don't know. And he is questioning her. Alex is questioning her. Also, if you hear talking, this is my mom and my brother. He's now going to get his driver's license, and he just passed it. Goodbye, Alex. We will remember you for almost following your dreams. She almost took the bait. Oh no, I think she saw me. Just gonna... I'm not here. Don't look at me. Oh. That worked. Well. Oh, man, my car's gone. Oh, that always gets me. I wonder if I could put one of those NPC people and just push him over to my car, then I could show you the glitch. I'll just tell someone. No, I'll just wait for them to get in the car. This is very fun. Oh, wait, no. Yes, we have our first person. No, he's taking off. Get him, grab him. Oh, no. Your car. Take your car. This is your car now. You deserve it. You need. You need. I said need, definitely. You need it. I'm giving it to you, Autumn. She's just staring there. No. Okay, I guess. That's a no. Just gonna try to get out of here. There we go. Yep, working it out. Oh. Just ran over someone. Don't look at me! Oh, and I just died. Okay. Oh, I'm just gonna... There. My car's broke. Okay, we just got Doge, to help us demonstrate, how to do this. So I'm gonna have him get in the car. Get in the car, and don't move. Please. Okay, get in the car and don't move, please. Okay, now I'm gonna stroller him, and just press space a bunch of times, and soon it will work. And it's not working because I'm probably because I'm stuck in the ground. But if I just jump a bunch of times, the wheels will start to shake and everything will blow up. But I think I need to reset my car. Okay, okay, so we just got him in. The car is back, and this is how you do it. Okay, so I'm jumping really fast, and there we go. It's working now. Okay, go, 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 go. Come on, do it for me. Do it, car, do it. Okay, it's not that big. Okay, see, there we go. We're out of the map. We're out in space and time. There it goes. A beautiful shooting star. Wee, goodbye. And there goes my car, lost in space. Oh, that's so fun. I love doing that. I found this out on accident, and it was just so fun. So, let me look up here. Oh, I hit the ground. I bounced back up, though. Really high. I think I landed on a trampoline. Did I? I wasn't looking. I don't know who that person was. Once I come back down, I will look for them. Okay, let me just say Doge, whatever. Hey, I landed. Okay, Doge, are you here? With a period? Because that makes sense. My English works. Can you help me find my son? His name is... I think, oh, I ran into a tree. I think the Doge left, but, shout out to whoever he was if you look in the chat, because he was in the chat. But, that concludes my little glitch tutorial for you guys. It wasn't really that much of a glitch tutorial. It was a little bit of a troll video. It didn't work out. It did work out a little bit, but it wasn't that good. And also, I hate this game. No offense, game creators. It's just, if you're watching this video, you need to add some more stuff, because it's been the same for a long time. You need to add stuff. I don't know what type of stuff. Like, better cars. Don't add better cars, actually. Why did I just say that? Don't add better cars. Because I can't do the glitch, and no one else to do the glitch. And I'll be very sad. And, yeah, and it's sand pizza, because it was in the sand. I found it in the sand. So I'm gonna eat sand pizza now. But I'm gonna go watch it. And I'm speaking really fast. Okay. Well, hope you enjoyed my video. Why did I make this? Goodbye, game. Goodbye, world. Wow. 7 out of 6 players. Oh my gosh. That's insane. It's insanity. Well, I am confuzzled now. I'll probably make another video on Horror Tycoon, because I played it a really long time ago and I loved the game and never got to play it again because I played it on my old account. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and hit the bell icon just in case if you want to hear all my videos when they come out. But I'm not forcing you to. I'm just telling you. And if you can't subscribe because you're not in an account, that's okay as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. And don't forget to, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Wait, I already said this. Oh, dang, I'm sorry, guys. Well, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and a comment. And don't forget to, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Because if you, wait. Don't forget to like and subscribe because